Hey everyone! The Vivo V60 Lite returns in a way that feels both familiar and subtly strategic. At first glance, it looks almost identical to the model that originally debuted last September, but this quiet refresh signals something important for Vivo's mid-range ambitions. Rather than redesigning the phone from the ground up, Vivo has focused on refining the internal hardware, giving the V60 Lite a new heart while preserving the features that already worked well. The most significant change lies in the processor. The updated Vivo V60 Lite, model V2549, becomes the first smartphone to feature Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 6S 4G Gen 2 chipset. This replaces the older Snapdragon 685 found in the previous 4G variant. The Snapdragon 685 had been widely used across budget and mid-range devices, and although it was reliable, it was beginning to feel dated. Outside of the chipset, the phone remains largely unchanged, and that is not necessarily a negative. The 6.77-inch display continues to be one of the standout features. With full HD plus resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate, the screen offers a fluid and visually pleasing experience, whether you are scrolling through social media, browsing the web, or gaming. On the camera front, Vivo has retained the same setup. The front-facing 32-megapixel camera remains ideal for selfies and video calls, offering detailed shots and reliable performance in good lighting conditions. Around the back, the dual-camera configuration consists of a 50-megapixel main sensor paired with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. While it does not attempt to compete with flagship-level multi-lens systems, this combination is practical and versatile enough for everyday photography. Battery life is another area where the V60 Lite stands out. The 6,500 mAh battery is substantial, especially in a mid-range device. Vivo pairs this large battery with 90-watt wired fast charging, which is particularly impressive in this price segment. Additionally, the inclusion of 6-watt reverse wired charging allows the V60 Lite to function as a power bank for smaller devices, adding another layer of utility. Software-wise, the device runs FunTouch OS 15 based on Android 15. This ensures access to the latest Android features, improved security, and updated system optimizations. Durability is another noteworthy aspect. The phone carries MIL STD 810H compliance, suggesting that it has undergone testing for resilience under various environmental conditions. While such certifications do not guarantee indestructibility, they do add confidence in daily durability. The earlier version relied on the Snapdragon 685 and offered 8 gigs of RAM with virtual expansion and 256 gigs of internal storage without microSD support. Visually, the phone is offered in black and blue color options according to the Panama listing. These classic finishes maintain the V60 Lite's clean and understated design language. Vivo has not revealed pricing yet, but positioning will be crucial. Overall, the updated Vivo V60 Lite is a subtle but meaningful evolution. It does not attempt to disrupt the mid-range market with radical innovation, but instead refines an already solid formula. The combination of a large display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, a massive 6,500 mAh battery with ultra-fast charging, a capable camera system, modern software, and improved chipset makes it a well-rounded offering. For users who prioritize battery life, display quality, and reliable daily performance without stepping into 5G territory, the refreshed V60 Lite presents itself as a practical and thoughtfully updated option. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day, and God bless you.